Let's create our models in store models.py. I'll delete this and say class product. Okay. Inherits from models.model. And then we have the product will have a name. It should be models.carfield maximum length equals to 10, maybe 100. Then we have a description, which is equals to models.text field. Then we have a price equals to models.decimal field. And this will have probably max digits equals to 10 and 2 decimal places. Then we have the stock equals to models.integer field. Okay, we can have the default value of 0. And then we have the time it was created at equals to models.date time field. Auto now add equals to true. So I explain all this in my full Django course. Then we can have a basic string representation of this. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, and then return self.name. Let's create another model called class order, which also inherits from models.model. And then this will have a many-to-many relationship, actually one-to-many relationship. So this will be models.foreign key, and I need to import the user model. So from django.auth.contrib, I think. Is it django.auth? No, django.contrib.auth.models import user. Then we can say it's the user, and then when you delete, on delete, what happens? We can do models.cascade. Then after that, we can go to products. This will be a many-to-many relationship, models.many to many, and that will be many-to-many with product. Then we can specify the intermediate table. So we shall say through equals to order item, like that. Okay. After that, we can have maybe the total, which will be equals to models.decimal field. And we can also say the max digits equals to 10 and the decimal places equals to 2. What else do we need? Maybe the status. Okay, so the status equals to models.carfield, and then here we can have the maximum length equals to 10. And what else do we need? We can have the default. Okay, default equals to pending. This is pending. Maybe we make this 20. Then here you can also add choices. Okay, you can have your choices here. I'll leave this to you, so make sure you implement this. Okay, and then next up, created at equals to models.date time field. Okay, and this will be auto now add equals to true. So this will be populated for us automatically when the order is created. Then we can have another one, say class order item. Okay, and this refers to this. Okay, which will be models.model. And then we can say order equals to models.foreign key, like that. And this will be, of course, a many-to-many relationship, like you already know by now. And then we shall say on delete equals to models.cascade. Okay, so we shall delete all of them. And then we can also define in the product, okay, which would be models.foreign key. and then this will be to product, and then on delete this will be of course models dot cascade. Okay, so define those two relationships. Next up, can add our other fields like quantity. Okay, and say quantity equals to models dot integer field, and then we can specify the default value. So by default shall have 1, and then the price will be equals to models dot datetime field. Come on, what's wrong with me? Not datetime field, but decimal field. Okay, and then the maximum digits for this will be 10, and we shall also have 2 decimal places. As simple as that. So let's run migrations. Python manage.py make migrations, then Python manage.py migrate. As simple as that. And as you can see, the SQL database has been created. In the next video, we shall look at the schema.